Hi sixth graders, welcome to mathematics class with me, Mr. Rizal. Today's topic is about ordering numbers. Okay, if you want to order some numbers, so there will be two possibilities. The first one is ordering numbers from the smallest to the greatest, and the second one is ordering numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, I have some examples, so let's go. For example, for question number 1, order the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Okay, I have 3 numbers over here, so we can read it together. The number 1 is 46,947. The second one is 43,994. And the third one is 79,409. To find the solution, we are going to do some steps. I have 3 steps, so let's go. Start with step number 1. For step number 1, we are going to write all the numbers, but now we are going to write it vertically. Okay, I will copy. Okay, I will write all the numbers again, but now I'm going to write it vertically. Okay, the third one. Okay. For this step, make sure you put all the digits which has the same place value vertically straight. I mean like this. As you can see from here, 7 is S1 or unit, 4 also, and also 9. We have 4 as tens, 9 as tens, and 0 as tens. So after that, step 2. Okay, we continue with step 2. For the step 2, we are going to put some notes. We are going to find out which number is the smallest one by comparing each digit which has the same place value. In this case, we are always start with the left digit which has the biggest place value. Okay, we have 4, 4, and 7. So we have 4 smaller than the other, 4 and 4. So we are going to ignore the third number. We are going to ignore the third number, and we are going to focus on the first number and the second one. We have 46,000 something, 43,000 something. 4 and 4 still the same. If you have the same value, so you go to the next digit. We have 6 and 3. Which one is the smallest one, do you think? Okay, we have 3. So we are going to write this as number 1. We can write here number 1. It means we think that 43,000 something is the smallest one. And then we are going to compare the next 2 numbers. 46,000 something and 79,000 something. Okay, now, which one do you think it is the smallest one? Okay, nice. Of course, 46,947. So we are going to write 2 here. And then, of course, the last one will be the third. Okay, after that, we are going to do in step 3. After you find out which number is the smallest one, so you are going to write the answer. Okay, after that, please write again the number. Start from the smallest to the greatest. I'm going to copy again. In your case, you are going to write it. Number 1, it means the smallest one. Okay, this is the answer. And then the second one, this one. Okay, I think the third one is this one. Okay, so the answer is we have the numbers in order from the smallest to the greatest. It is very easy, isn't it? If you think so, we are going to continue with the second example. Okay, question number 2. Order the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. The same question, but different number, of course. So, still remember what is the first step? Step 1. Unfortunately, you have to write again all the numbers, but for now you have to write it vertically. Okay, I'm going to copy first, and then the second. Okay, and then the third. Okay, before we continue, is there anyone noticed the mistake I made? Anyone? Okay, I write some of the numbers not properly. So let's find out the right one, okay? Like I told you before, for the step 1, make sure all the digits which has the same place value, you write it vertically straight, okay? We have here 3 as tenth, 9 as unit, but this one, we have 9 as unit. So let me fix it. Okay, and the last one? Okay, now we have all the numbers written properly. Continue with next step. Step 2. Oh, sorry. Okay, step 2. You put some notes to find out which one is the smallest number. Okay, we are going to compare. Of course, we have 106,649. We have 77,809.3, and the last one 75,569. Which one do you think the smallest one? The first, 70. We have one number which has one digit in 100,000 place. It will be automatically, the second numbers will be the greatest one. We are going to compare the first and the second one. As you can see, 7 and 7, still the same. 7 and 5. We have the smallest number here. So, I'm going to put some notes. This number is the smallest number. And the second one, of course, this one. And the third one is this one. Okay, the last step. Now we are going to write the answer. Okay, if you already get the answer, please write it again. Here, the smallest one is 75,569. Copy first, okay. And then you write it here. And then the second one is 77,809.3. I will copy, okay. And then the last one is 106,649. Okay. Copy. Okay. So this is the question number 2. Still easy, right? Okay, next. Okay, for number 3, fortunately, the question will be yours to do at home as exercise. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you next time.